Here it is. Your savings account isn't protecting your money, it's quietly destroying it. While your balance sits there earning 0.5% interest, inflation is running at 3 to 4% per year, which means every year that passes, your money buys less. You feel responsible. You feel safe. But safe is a lie your bank sells you. Over 10 years, $10,000 in a savings account becomes $10,511. That same $10,000 invested in a simple index fund becomes $21,589. Same decade, same starting point. Completely different outcome. And here's what nobody wants to admit. Doing nothing is still a decision, and right now, it's the most expensive one you can make. People obsess over market risk, but never calculate the guaranteed loss already happening inside their bank. The wealthiest people on Earth don't keep money idle. They put it to work in assets that outpace inflation, not because they're reckless, but because they understand the math. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses liquid. That's your emergency fund. It belongs in savings. But everything beyond that needs to be working for you. Low-cost index fund, consistent contributions, time in the market. The safest thing you can do for your future is stop playing it safe.